This is my 1999 Mazda Miata, and I think I might be having a wheel bearing issue. I popped this center cap off, which was showing a little bit of damage that I'm not sure how it happened. And this is my wheel bearing in the middle there, and what I was getting was a kind of sound from the front left when I was driving down the freeway, and I initially thought it was the wheel bearing, but I don't really know. So whenever I rotate the wheels, lift it up, I don't know if you can hear it on the video. I'm gonna set the camera down here, try to spin it pretty quick, see if I can get it to make a sound. And it seems to spin pretty smoothly, but I don't know if maybe the wheel bearing's making the noise or if it could be something else like the brake rotor. So here goes. So you hear that sort of, you should call it like an airplane propeller sound. It's like a wa-da-da-da-da-da-da, and it increases as the speed increases. It seems actually to be coming maybe more from the top than from the center, but that could just be how the weight's distributed on the system or something. So if anyone has any idea what this might be, please let me know. Thanks a lot.